It sound like it's here now. Oh.
Yeah. We gotta get in the closet.
I seen the trees broke down. Oh, it's down, AJ.
Huh?
They down back there, baby.
Ah, yeah.
That big one gone. It's gone.
And you know what I forget? It's a power line right there.
Where?
Remember to go from there though, back there, that other street light back there.
This light gone. The pole light gone.
Yeah, that pole light gone.
Yep. They gonna have to come on.
They gotta come with it. Murray looking sexy though. Lines down right there. Yeah. It just look depressing. Kinda is. But as you see, they touched the house. That's the main thing, I guess. This street has been crooked for years. Oh, I think some of them came off of this. Tree right there gone, tree right here. There's trees everywhere. Just probably loud noise so we can hear from the inside the house as you can hear in the other video. Somebody come look at this. Somebody come look at this. Power lines are down from that way to this way. Tree right there. Tree right there. Tree all around. That's a crater. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how that happened. Just look at it. It don't
I
even.
said, we can move these right here. You don't think we can move? Just getting in the driveway.
Well, yep. Pool gone. Pool gone. Yep. Filter gone. Tree gone. Ground gone. Soft. Ooh. That's supposed to be a lot bigger. You see that? Yeah. 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 Could have been worse. Don't know what that is. Well, the new roof's still good. From this side anyway. Oh, I found what the other tree was. Okay. If you can't tell, it's supposed to be a street pole right there with a light on it. Nowhere to be found. Nowhere to be found. Oh. I will show y'all what it looked like around this summer. The last time I cut grass back here, I'll show you what it, what it looked like. I can tell you, it didn't look like this. That tree was a lot taller. That tree had more friends. That tree didn't look like that. 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 Those trees didn't look like that. That tree didn't look like that. Yeah. I think that's where the street pole was. Oh, yeah, there it goes. It's right there. There's the street light. It laying completely on the ground. 25. Yep. It just took some off the top. That's it. Just a little bit off the top. I guess you can see the path of totality came straight through there. Because that tree's leaning that way, that tree's leaning that way, that pole's leaning that way, that tree's that way. There's cows over there, so I hope the fence is not bad. Because, yep, there's part of the tree. There's another part of the tree over there, but, yep. Ooh, that tree split straight down the middle. I don't know. Yep. I don't want to get too far over there because I don't know where those electric wires are. So I'm not going over there. That tree split down the middle. That tree used to have a top to it. This one's just sad. This tree is just sad now. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah. Don't know what to say. My apple tree been gone. Apple tree gone. Let me go ahead and insert clip of what it looked like at first. Oh, that's a shingle. I'm guessing it's off my house though, so yep, that's a shingle. Another piece of shingle. I think some of these sticks are from the front yard. Oh, shoot. And I tell you, this ground is soft to the step. Soft to the step. I don't know what that came off of. Subscribe. Please. Subscribe. Glad. This is what my fence looks like. But really, only thing that matters, I'm safe. My mother's safe. House look mostly intact. Mostly intact. Look, my baby. Yep. Oh, my other car. Y'all haven't seen it, but it got saved somehow. Don't know how, but grace of God, it's the one doing our insurance on it. The only one without insurance. What is that? Oh, shoot. I forgot. There was patio furniture over there. As you can see. I think it's missing. This tree is the biggest surprise, though. I don't know what the freak's gonna have to happen with this, but well, at least the anthill's gone. It was a lot of those. That's just that. Got the brick. I don't know what the bricks are there for, but yeah. It looks naked. It just looks naked without. It looks weird. I've lived here since I was 2. I think this is the worst one. Even my high school year, when it went straight down the road, it barely got touched. This time, a lot of cleanup. Power lines down, trees down. I can't even make it out my driveway. Can't even make it out the driveway. There's like, that's one tree. Well, it's like, that's one tree, that's another tree, that's one tree, that's one tree, that's one tree, that's like 2, 3, that's 2. It's a lot. I ain't why I'm tired. I have not been asleep. Have not.
And I slunk 80 racks past TSA.
Man, look what that tornado did to my city, man. It's just, wow. Took the roof off the church. Building, trees gone. It was a beauty shop right there. That bit completely gone. Man, tore the city up. Sad. Might well give y'all a pull while I'm on this straightaway right here. All right, man. It is whatever day it is. It's Saturday. Yeah, it's Saturday. I showed y'all what the backyard looked like with the trees back there, and it's, I think, 2 days later since I last filmed the video and uploaded it. Cause I didn't record yesterday, but I still released the video, as y'all seen. But I'm finna show y'all what it looked like now after I done cleaned it up. My yard looked totally different from what it looked like ever. These least amount of trees I never had in my yard. It's so crazy to see. I ain't gonna lie to you, guys. It's so crazy. Look at it. I've been living here since I was 2. This is the least amount of trees we ever had. We always get trees that fall. You know, that's just part of the, you know what I'm saying? That's just part of having trees in your yard. But now, it looks so crazy. So crazy. It used to be a big old bush right here, but we pulled it out the ground. Now that was just sitting right there. That tree used to be right there. It's 2 of them over there that fell. The one right there, as y'all can see the stump. It was 2 over there. I don't really like showing in front of my house, but it is what it is. At this point, I think Green Christian really showed it in this video the other day. Skid steer and tow my grass up. It's all right though. You got these trees out the way. I can actually get out my driveway now. Cause as y'all seen well, y'all haven't seen yet. I don't know when I'm gonna upload my exhaust getting done, but it got done the other day while they was doing this. But my car is so low, it don't fit everywhere. So, yep. As y'all can see, that power line is still down. I guess they turned their street light off back there though. So I guess that's decent. Let's walk back here. They took the tree out the pool and walk over here. Yep. Fence and stuff gone. You feel? So weird to see. Trees right there, gone. They pushed them out the way. This was not right here in that last video, as y'all seen. They moved it when they was making a path for them to push the skid steer and stuff. Yep. Let me take it out of 0.5. So it look kind of normal. But y'all can see they came through, skid steer, pushed all of it. Now, I don't know what I'm gonna do now, cause Lord. I don't know how long it's gonna take for the grass to come back. Whole slide mark. But I can't complain. I cannot complain. I can, you know what I'm saying, I can look in my backyard and it not look so crazy. I see this where they pushed everything. That's where this where they pushed everything. So a lot of skid steer marks. They pushed stuff back here. That's how much more stuff they added back here. Cause y'all seen that last video that I posted. I actually posted that one already. Okay, there's the street light. It's still over there. I'm going nowhere near it because I don't know where that wire is. I'm gonna step on nothing out here. That's the main part. I might be able to shoot them guns in my backyard. Now I got the little bridge. Gonna shoot through some trees though. It'll be all right. That's the city. Hey, I got a berm now because I shoot in the backyard. It's crazy. This ain't never been back here. We used to have our foliage go through little trails and stuff. Can't do that no more. 1, ain't got no foliage, and 2, everything that grew up over it. It had a nice little trail, younger. Yeah. But y'all see it. Y'all see it. Like I said, it came through, knocked top of trees down. That tree used to be tall as crap. In between this, I did throw in a clip of what it looked like at first. Like, you know what I mean? At first, before the storm came through. It's so weird being able to see from the back of my house all the way to the front. I've never been able to. Yeah, a little weird. Just a little weird. It's gonna take some getting used to, most definitely. This video probably going up today, so it is what it is. It just looks so much crazier on this left side that I'm looking at right now, because this ain't what it looked like when I've been here since I was 2, as I said already. It's weird to see. Like, imagine seeing something for what? They got to be. I'm 21. Moved here when I was 2. Whatever. How many? 19. I think there's 19. I'm not good at counting, unless it's, you feel. But math is not fast. Broke this tree. This is my mom's favorite tree. Broke the top off, so it's not gonna grow no more. But it is what it is. I don't know how I'm gonna cut the grass. Well, at least I ain't got to cut right here. At least I ain't got to cut right here. Look like I had to use a weed to cut grass. To do certain spots. Well, really, because of that tree right there, it wasn't much grass in this general vicinity anyway, because it was covering everything. I mean, it was covering from this to there. Like, everything was covered back here from that one tree. That tree covered everything. Somebody back there riding the 4-wheeler golf cart, something like that. I don't know. Nobody lives back there, but somebody lives back there at this point. I don't know. So weird. We used to have an apple tree. It was right here. I think they took the stump and pushed it into the woods, or did whatever the freak they did with it. So wild. So wild. That skid steer really messed up some stuff, huh? It's crazy. You can't even tell the apple tree was right here. It was right, I say about like right here. This general vicinity. Where is it? I can't even tell you what the apple tree is now. It don't even look like it's over there. I don't even. Yep. My fence gone. Sad. Think it messed up my pump too. I think just maybe. Think so though. Look at the fence. Just look at the fence. It's. Ugh. Well, that's really it. Backyard. What? That's really it. Backyard is what got affected the most. It is what it is at this point. We safe. We good. It is what it is. I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, subscribe, comment. You know? Forgot to say it. I don't use it a lot. That came out of the ground. I don't even know where does this come? Where did this come from? This came from over there. I guess it was in that way, so they picked it up, took it out of the ground. This came from like right here. And then, you know, my truck was over there, but I started it the other day. That's always been there. I think there used to be a tree house for birds, basically. Bird house, bird home. But it's like an apartment complex because it had multiple sides. It had like multiple sides on it. But it got blew away. It got blew away in a storm too. So not in this one, in an older one. I don't like walking in between things. Spider webs are all over this thing. This way. Oh, featherless swing. It got messed up pretty bad. But shit. I don't think I can really say anything else. Shit. I think that's it. Yeah.